To deliver and drive high impact to your enterprise with speed and scale, we've developed the Factory Insights as a Service solution, which unifies data from your enterprise's different OT and IT systems, provides real-time visibility, management, and global scalability, with ready-to-deploy applications supporting foundational use cases. One of our 4 no-regret use cases is real-time production performance monitoring for standardized enterprise visibility. We're going to see how real-time production performance monitoring can benefit production environments using a fictional global yogurt manufacturer. Due to disparate IT/OT systems and inconsistent data capture methods, executives struggle to gain visibility into real-time performance data throughout the enterprise. Additionally, once they get access to the data they need, it is in inconsistent formats, making it difficult to draw comparisons or gain insights across SKUs and plants. The operations executive at our yogurt manufacturer now has real-time visibility into global production performance through a single, consistent, role-based OEE KPI dashboard. They didn't rip and replace current systems or equipment, but connected to assets already in use, using the Factory Insights as a Service solution to wrap and extend. The real-time production performance monitoring capabilities allow easy configuration of lines, assets, and crews, and is designed to scale to multiple sites. This provides compelling, easy-to-understand metrics for every site worldwide. Because the data is aggregated and normalized, you can now have a standard approach to KPI comparison across sites, with the ability to drill down for additional details at any level. Settings from the panel on the left make it easy to specify the exact cross-section of data needed to support analysis efforts, whether it's by line, equipment product, or crew, and to specify the time period in question to efficiently locate where a problem might be occurring. This standardized comparison allows us to easily identify the Atchison site is underperforming based on configured thresholds. The operations executive can drill further into this data or prompt the local team to take action. Within the Atchison site, the plant manager is already investigating to understand the root of the problem. In an environment that also traditionally struggles with access to real-time, standardized, actionable information, tracking progress against work orders can result in long delays before an issue is recognized and corrected. This plant manager has access to a view tailored to his needs to easily see the real-time performance characteristics for each production line, asset, and product to pinpoint the problem. The plant manager can quickly see that the ATCH04 line is a potential source of problem with low OEE and lowest availability. Clicking the KPI opens a window with the breakdown of the OEE components, availability, performance, and quality, which highlights the performance is falling below a predefined threshold, which helps us begin our root cause analysis. To understand further, we can drill down into line-level availability that show a timeline with analysis of downtime events, including what happened at each downtime and the reason behind it. To troubleshoot this issue, a line manager can use the Process Troubleshooter to visualize, trend, and compare data coming in from disparate sources within the factory. By putting the information into context, line managers can understand how trending data like the temperature, the consistency, and the production quantity all line up with the event timelines of production, downtime, and waste. Within the time of production, we can see that there were 2 significant points of downtime. Hovering over each spot, we can see there are 2 events: maintenance to repair a yogurt seal pump and time spent to sanitize the line. When we compare those downtime events to the data trends, we can see the base temperature steadily increasing as we approach the downtime event, indicating we could have predicted the issue and performed maintenance outside of the production window, eliminating the 6 hours of unplanned downtime. With this real-time trending, the line manager can troubleshoot the problem quickly and efficiently, perform root cause analysis, and help get the lines back up to speed, ensuring throughput remains consistent while using the data to decrease unplanned downtime, scrap, and rework in the future. Data captured during the manufacturing process is essential to identifying problems early and provide valuable information for continuous improvement initiatives. For operators, however, being able to capture this information consistently and rapidly is difficult when they need to search through multiple systems that may not have the most up-to-date information. And when issues need to be reported, relying on manual input from operators can impact not only operator efficiency, but introduces potential data entry errors, further increasing performance impact. But with the consistent, real-time information and monitoring from the connected dashboard, operators can make actionable, data-driven decisions on the production line and communicate valuable data to those up the value chain for troubleshooting, analyzing, and insight into the factory floor. From here, if they see a specific data point trending negatively, like the CIP flow, they can take action immediately. The solution makes the operator more efficient because the system automatically captures most of the information. When human intervention is needed to document downtime or waste, the operator can manually enter data, ensuring valid reason codes are applied to any downtime or waste events. The combination of automated data capture and operator input provides the context to drive throughput, rework, scrap, and downtime improvements. Consistency of the data across plants, lines, and assets allows the data to be seamlessly delivered from the factory shop floor to the top floor. This is just one of 4 high-value use cases within the Factory Insights as a Service solution, which helps manufacturing executives, plant managers, and operators understand production performance. Factory Insights as a Service is a turnkey cloud offering with ready-to-deploy functionality to get you out of pilot purgatory, rapidly turning siloed systems and data you already have into insights to make it actionable, rapidly realizing value.